Okay, class, the sound of W in Spanish. The letter W in Spanish is used only for foreign words. You're not going to get that at Google. Look up W in Google. It's just going to give you words. It's not going to tell you what I'm telling you. In Spanish, the W sound is produced with the following letters. That's why you need a teacher that knows both English and Spanish. So, the W sound is not used with a W if it's real Spanish. So let's look at a real Spanish dictionary. In a real Spanish dictionary, which you will not find on Google, the W, all of the W words are right here. Not very many, is it? Not even 20 words. And all of them are foreign words. Walkie-talkie, Walkman, English, Wombas. I don't know what that is. Watt, I think that's German. Water, I think that's French. Water polista, okay, we know, or we took water and used Spanish to go with it. Water polo. See, all of those are English words. Wedge, English. Welter, English. Whiskey, English. Windsurf, windsurfista. Wolfram, that's probably German also. But none of them are real Spanish words because real Spanish does not use a W to get the wah, the woo, the W sound. Not at all. Try to find that on Google, huh? Try. You can't. That's why you need to keep coming to class. Keep calling me on the phone. Okay, let's continue with the W sound. So, the W sound in Spanish is given with the letters G and U and A. He, U, A. When spelled together, they will give the sound of W in English. Therefore, G-U-A, He, U, A will have the wa sound in English. Let's practice the following words. Y'all been saying agua. I want some agua, not ah. Agua. So don't say agua, agua, agua. Here's another one. Aguantar, aguantar, aguantar. Here's another one. Averiguar, averiguar. Guadalajara, Guadalajara. That girlfriend you have, Guadalupe? No, her name is not Guadalupe. Her name is Guadalupe. Guadalupe. Guantanamero? No, not Guan. Guantanamero. Guantanamero. Guante? Not guante. 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 Oh, he is so guapo. No. Guapo. Guapo. Guardar. No. War. Guardar. Guardar. Guatemala. No, not Guatemala. 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 What's that cactus? The saguaro cactus? No. Saguaro. Saguaro. Okay, class, so that's something for you to know. Nobody's going to believe you when you tell them that, because why? They don't believe us. That's okay. When you talk to someone from another country that speaks Spanish, they will know. Those Californians may not. So just want to let you know about the W. It's not a real letter for Spanish. And there's some more too, but we'll do them at another time. Okay, call me with any questions. See you in class on Sunday.